I'm going to show you how to carry things with crutches.
In the name of God.
For example, a bottle. You take in your fingers and just like this. It is easy. You can do also, for example, under your arm, like that. Okay? You can do, for example, between your legs, like that. Okay? If you have strong teeth, take in your mouth. It's better without the bottle. If you are very good in equilibrium, I don't know how we say, just like that. Okay, and just you go very slowly, like that. Okay, this is more difficult. You can take a plastic bag that you put like that with the bottle. You see? It is easy. What is more difficult, it is to carry a cat. I will show you how to carry a cat with crutches. Either you take the cat like that and you make jump like that, but it is not nice for the cat. Or you can do the twist dance. Twist dance, so you need to change your position of the cat. You take the cat more like that. Okay? And I show you. Wait. You take the cat like that. And with your feet, you do like twist, you know? Like that. You go up, twist. Like that, twist. Like that, twist. Like that, okay? There is another solution. It is, you put your cat there, okay? Don't move, like that, and you do also the twist, okay? But it is very complicated. You have another solution. It is to take a bag. So, you put the cat in the bag. Go in the bag. Go. Just go in the bag. Okay, go. Okay, so if he doesn't want to go in the bag, you can take this box, like that. You put it there, very calmly. You take your crutches. Okay? Calm. And then you just need to push the box like that. You see? It is simple. So now you know everything to carry things and to carry a cat, which is more than a thing, because it is what is most beautiful on earth. My beautiful cat. Look how he's beautiful. Like his father. You see? We have the same eyes. Oh, yes, my love. Bye bye. So don't forget to subscribe and to share this video if you like it with everybody. Even with your cat, with your pets, with your dogs. Okay?